avoid, block, capture, and defend, right? Fine. So this is the strategy when you are under threat. So it is your turn to move. There is a threat, and there is that is how you do it. Avoid, block, capture, defend. What if there is no threat and you are free to move? Then also you need to play some good moves, right? So what are the some hints? These are like a strategy for thinking of good moves. So first thing is that you can create a threat. That is always a good thing, because ultimately you win chess games by creating threats and winning some things, right? By winning material or winning this one. So you can create a threat of your own. Maybe the knight is going to g5, attacking f7 and h7, like we saw, or queen is coming to h5. I'm just giving you some examples, but these are all examples where you create a threat, right, of your own. So that is always putting pressure on the other side, right? Now if that is not possible directly, okay, let me see who is saying something. Okay, block and defend. Okay, I will show you what I mean by that. If you want to see an example, let me go here and new board. Okay, e4, e5. Okay, now knight f3. Now when black plays knight c6, he's defending the pawn, right? No, 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 not kill the piece. No, no, defending is not killing. Defending is simply defending it. You see this, okay? And what did we say? Let us say white plays bishop c4, black plays knight f6, and white plays knight g5. Now what is the thing? Now this bishop and knight, both of them are together. They are attacking the f7 square, right? So that is an attack, threat. There is a threat. Now if black plays d5 here, now he's blocking the threat, because with the pawn now, what has happened is, now the bishop's attack is not there on the f7. Knight is attacking, but black king is also there defending. So one of them is there. Now the second attack is now blocked. Can you see how it was blocked? Now you might say that, yeah, this is the fried lever attack. I mean, it depends what white does. But let us say if white takes the pawn, but then also the knight goes here and threatens this bishop. So now basically this pawn also is still blocking, right? So it is a kind of, sometimes you force the other side to block his own bishop, right? Here, if bishop had taken this pawn here, then black would have been very happy to exchange, right? Exchange, 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 and now this knight is awkwardly placed. It is attacking, but it is attacking just like that. There is not enough thing, so it has to come back actually, right? So this is what would have happened, but white took it with the pawn, and then black took it. But you saw in the original thing, what happened is that in this position, the threat was blocked by a pawn. Okay, so this is called as blocking. Okay, and the other one is called as defending. Okay, the other one is, let us say you are simply you are putting this extra, you are playing d4, and then black plays d6. This is defending the pawn, right? It is not blocking, it is defending. Because now what was there? White was attacking this pawn twice, once with the pawn and once with the knight, and this pawn had only one defense, of the knight. So black plays d6 to give additional defense, right? So these are all the I hope now it is clear. So but going back to our thing, what do you do when you don't have don't have a, I mean, opponent is not threatening? Then we said first thing is that you can create a threat of your own. If that is not possible, you can also look at hope, which means that you can make a move which next move you are going to create a threat. That is also a good move, because it is preparing for creating a threat, right? So, and if black, not black means opponent does not exactly play, then you can create a threat. That is also a good move, right? So that is the th, right? The third thing that you can do is you can improve your position. Improve your position is also in things like castling the king. Generally in the middle game, castling the king is not creating a threat, but it's a good move because you anyway want to defend your king, give him good defensive and then get the rook out, right? So this is also, and if you have not yet castled, anyway you have to castle most of the times, so you might as well take a time to castle and get the rook out, right? So this is called as improving the position. Sometimes in the late middle game, your king can get checkmated on the backside. So your king is castled, but you want to move the side pawn, the rook pawn, you want to move one square, or sometimes the knight pawn. That is also creating space for the king so that it doesn't get checkmated. That is also called as improving, right? So you can do this also in case you don't have anything else to do. Then try to improve your position. The last thing is that you might have created some plan in your mind, and it's like a multi-move plan. I will move my bishop here, I will move my knight there, and I will bring my queen, and that's how I will attack, or some plan like this you might have it. So try to, in unless there is some unless that plan is getting completely what you call hampered by the opponent, otherwise you can continue your plan. So try to play, create a plan and try to play against it unless there is a bigger threat that is there, right? So this is the way. So this is a tip for you: ABCD and think. Okay, so when there is a threat, don't ignore the threat, look at it and deal with the threat. Dealing with the threat using ABCD. And when there is no threat, then think. THIN is a simple thing to remember. T is threat, create your own threat. H is hope, hope to create a new threat. I is improve, improve your position. Or N is next, which means that whatever is your plan, try to play the next move in the plan, right? So this is a general strategy for you. Okay, so this way you can try to play your games. Okay, so see, most of the times dealing with the threat is important, and because you don't deal with the threat, you lose something. Okay, so that is what will happen if you analyze your game. So dealing with the threat is very important. So all right, fine. So this is it. Now I will go quickly to the intermediate test. Okay, so I have given this test. This is on page 2 of the handout. Okay, all of you already have the handout. And remember to read this first line 2 times at least, or 3 times, because this is very important. Read this very 2 times or 3 times, because a lot of thing it is there. And then I have given some questions. We start with some very basic questions which we covered in the level 1 class, like where does the A3 F8 diagonal cross the D file? So this is like the board coordinates question. Okay, then place some king, bishop, some pieces in the board in such a way that it is black is stalemated, or etc. So I have given some things like this. Place 4 white queens on a quarter chessboard. Quarter chessboard means only one quarter, whichever quarter you can choose it, right, left, front, back, etc. But put
So
four
on
queens.
this board that you send all of the handouts and things, I can't tell which is the black queen and which is the white queen.
Okay. Then I will explain. Okay, I will explain. I will send out a thing. But here, for example, this queen is a white queen. Okay, this is a white queen, and okay, I will explain it. Okay, and this is a black queen. Here, for example, you can make out here like slightly. This is the black queen is completely dark. Okay, here this is black queen is in this position is on B5, while the white queen is having all the lines, but in between it is white, and that is on H1 here in this position. Just to give you an example, but if you have any doubt, you can ask me, and I will tell you which is where is the black queen and the white queen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So there are questions like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 are like related to chessboard diagonals and constructing some checkmate position, etc. Okay. And then question number 7 onwards, I give position. So this is the position, and I have asked a question there which is related to that position. This is question number 8. It's a position, and I have given a question. And in fact, question number 8 consists of 3 sub questions: A, B, and C. Right? So you have 3 marks for the question number 8.
A, B, and C. Avoid.
No, no,
Block
no, no, no,
center.
no, 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 not that, not that. Here I'm saying, see, I have given a position and I'm saying where must the black king be placed in this diagram so that colon A, black is checkmated. So that is one. You can put the black king in some square so that it is checkmated. Okay, that is one question.
Can you
Question
show
number
us
two is
that?
where black is stalemated. Okay, so and question number three means 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3. Okay, I will tell you what is a quarter board. Quarter board is like this much. Okay, so this is a quarter board, what I have drawn. Okay, because it is having only four by four. Okay, from starting from any corner, 4 by 4 is a quarter board. Okay, I hope all of you got it. There are four quarter boards: left, uh, left back, left front, right back, right front. Okay, all right. So question number 8 has got 3 marks because it has got sub questions. Okay, question number 9 has got 1 mark, but there is a tricky puzzle. It is I've asked. Question number 10 has got again 1 mark, and uh, there is only single question. Question number 11 has got 2 marks. Okay, and if you can see, just sorry, what I was saying is question number 11 has got two parts. It is simple. I mean, the question is same, but there are two positions. See here, first position is this quarter position is for one position, and I've given it with the Roman numeral 1, and the other position is this quarter position, for which I've given the number 2 here. Both of these, so you can give two answers to it, 11.1 and 11.2. Okay, both the question is same: white to play and checkmate the black in one move. Okay, so how to, you have to find the move. So this is one quarter board and one position, and this is the other quarter board. So again, 11 also has got 2 marks. So number 8 has got 3 marks. Number 11 has got 2 marks. Total 11 questions plus 2, 13 plus 1, 14. So total you get, I think, 14. Let me see if there is anything else. Yeah, I think 14. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the eighth question, there's no black color pieces, sir.
Yeah, yeah, correct. You have to put it. You have to put the black king. There is only one black king you have to put it, but you decide where to put it and you tell me which is the square. So 8.a, there is one
Oh.
particular square. If you put the black king, then it will be checkmate. You have to find that square, where to put the black king so that it is checkmate. The second question is where it is black is stalemated. If you put the black king there, then it is a stalemate.
Okay.
Okay. So like this you have to give. Okay. So how much time is there? You have got 2 days. Today is Saturday evening. By Monday evening, India time, I will want you to send in you. Actually, you can do it in like 1 hour. Okay, but I'm giving you, I don't know, you might have your school, you may have whatever is the thing. 1.5 hours is enough, okay, to solve this. But I'm giving you more time.
Sir, the black king will be at E2.
Don't give the answer now. You have to, and don't tell everybody. So everybody has to solve it. So I'm not asking the answer right now. What you do is write down your moves on a piece of paper, okay, on a sheet of like in a notebook. Then take a photo of that and send it to me. But you send it to me only one. So whenever you send it to me, you please send it to me all the answers. Don't say that, oh, first 3 answers I'm giving you, other two I will give you tomorrow, then other three I will give you day after tomorrow. Like that, don't give it. Wait till you complete everything. But by Monday night, you give me the all the answers. Okay. You can just take a photo of the answer sheet and send it to me.
Sir,
Yes.
in the eighth question, we have to put the thing in a way that it will be in mate in one or it will be already in mate.
It is already in mate. First question is already made. Second question is already stalemate. Third question is mate in one for white. Okay. Yeah, you can write in a book. No problem. Notebook, you can write it and just take a photo of that from your phone and send it to me. Okay. All right. So that is the homework for you guys. Enjoy the homework and enjoy the unit test. Remember, the unit test is serious because the marks from the unit test are considered towards your final score, just like in school. Okay, so you score more in the unit test, that will help you get more marks in the final. What is that? 13? I didn't understand, Rotvich. L3? No. What is that? I didn't understand your question, Rotvich. Is it for L3 you are asking, or? No, no, L3 exam. No, this is intermediate. This is not for L3. There is a final exam that will be there for you to go to L3. So this is like a during, like you have unit test, right, before the semester exam, like that. You can send it to me on email or you can WhatsApp it to me. That is okay, Lakshmi. Easier is WhatsApp, but if you send it on email, that is also okay. All right. The marks are not counted for L3. The marks are counted for your L2 because you all of you are in L2. So final, yes, the exam. I mean, the marks are counted, and then you will get your final. This one, that is when you will go to L3. Yes. Okay. Fine. So if you don't have any, if you have any questions, you can feel free to send it to me on WhatsApp. Otherwise, I am done with this. So we will
Uncle,
all, yes.
Uncle, I had a question in the first Scotch Gambit which you did.
Okay.
So there, we could move one pawn, but then wait,
No,
the
I think we don't have enough time now to go back to that position, but you can send to me. You can put the position and you can put your doubt and you can WhatsApp to me and I will look.
okay, because I need the position, Uncle. Did you send this PDF to in
PDF is
the?
already sent. PDF is already sent. Last week.
Okay, okay, Uncle, I'll check and.
Okay.
When is
And
this
Uncle,
PDF going to be sent, sir?
You can send it by Monday. By Monday evening, you can send it to me on WhatsApp. Answers.
Uncle,
Yes.
I have a small doubt. Today I was playing with some Achyut or something in the last game.
Hmm.
So basically, we didn't finish the game, but
Yes. So both of you
so
will not get
in
the
the
points
first
for.
10 moves or something,
Yeah.
I was about to I was developing.
So what
Yes,
happened?
Uncle.
You will not get the points if you don't complete the game by the tournament end time.
No, I'm not talking about points.
Huh.
I'm talking that I was developing. In the next move, he's like the rook pawn he moves.
Okay.
I'm developing, but I didn't do anything in that side. Is that like a technical? Then only I understood that is a blender.
I don't know. I mean, you will have to look at the position. I am not saying at it.
It's blender, not blender.
Okay, that's okay. I think you can.
Oh my.
You will have to show the position. I cannot say A2 is not a A2. No, A3. A2 already pawn is there, so you might have played A3 or H3 or whatever, A6 or H6. But it is not a blunder. It is. I mean, it is not a very forceful move unless there is a bishop there. But it is not a blunder. Also, it is okay.
Okay, uncle.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Okay, then I am completing it. I am stopping the record.